Is the era of the smartphone finally over? In February 2026, the answer is looking like a big yes. Tech giants are officially shifting from phones in our pockets to our glasses on our faces. These aren't just glasses, they are your new computer. Powered by 6G and advanced AI, they project a high-definition interface directly onto your vision. No more looking down at a screen. You can read messages, follow GPS directions, and even identify people in real time just by looking at them. With built-in AI agents, these glasses don't just show info, they take action. Order me a coffee or summarize this document happens instantly with a simple whisper or a gesture. Apple, Meta, and Samsung are already in a war to see who will own your vision. The question isn't if you'll wear them, but when. Are you ready to ditch your iPhone for smart glasses? Let me know in the comments and subscribe to Aikido for more from the future. Thanks for watching.